Welcome to another installment of Thread Talks. In this video, we will be showcasing the funky and fun thread of straw silk by Silk Road Fibers. What makes straw silk unique is that it's a ribbon-like thread with natural color variations. This provides depth in color of stitches. The color variation is especially apparent on the palm trees of the nativity scene canvas displayed here. Straw silk can be used on 18 or 13 count canvas, and it is intended to be stitched as a single strand, so no plying is necessary. This also means that straw silk shows the best color variation when laid flat, as is demonstrated here on the banana leaf champagne bottle design. For this kit, we recommend a satin stitch to show off the vibrant greens in the straw silk thread. You may find that using a laying tool is useful to keep your stitches flat when stitching with straw silk. Straw silk is one of our favorite threads to use when stitching natural materials like wood, straw, and plants and animals realistically. Straw silk is also a wonderful choice for background stitches because it provides depth in the background of your design. You can see this here with our ginger jar kits displayed in beautiful gold frames. To start stitching with straw silk today, visit us in Raleigh, Charleston, or online at Needlepoint.com.